Hi all, how are you? I hope you are doing well. This lesson is about the rate function, so please pay attention and don't forget to subscribe. The rate function. Hi again. This is the rate function. And how do we calculate the rate function? As I said, first thing, you need to read the question or the requirements very good and then analyze it, put a highlight on the numbers or values that you need to convert it to this table and then calculate the rate function. You have $20,000 and you want to invest it. So I have currently my present value is $20,000 and I need to pay it for my investment. So the present value here is minus $20,000. Invest it to become, because it's become, that means it's in future. To become $500,000, and in future that means the future value. So the future value is $500,000. This is very easy till now. In 25 years. 25 years. Life of investment, number of period is 25. And because this is year and monthly payments, these are not even, so I need to do something in the rate function to solve this problem. So my monthly payment is $200, and because we're going to pay it, it's going to be in minus as well. So the amount of payment will be $200. The interest is compound monthly at the beginning. This is going to be at the beginning. One is for the beginning. Now what do we need to do? First of all, this is going to be for a month. I'm going to calculate the rate for a month. So I'm going to write rate. And what do we have in rate? Number of period is life of investment, 25 years. To convert it to months, because our payments and installments are monthly, what do I need to do? Multiply by 12. This is optional. This 12 is optional. If you're going to see year and month, they are not even. You need to multiply it by 12 to make them both in months. If both of them are in month, you don't need to multiply the 12 here. Now, PMT is the payment. Yes, I have payment. PV, do I have PV? Yes, I have PV. Do I have future value? Yes. Do I have a type? At the beginning, I can see at the beginning is number 1. Yes, I have closed the bracket. Now, this is going to be calculated for only 1 month. To do it annual, because my rate is annual interest rate, I need to multiply it by 12. This 12 is used in every rate function that you're going to calculate for. So this one is a mandatory. You must write this 12, but this is optional. Now just press enter. I can see that my interest rate, or sorry, my annual interest rate is 10%. This is the rate function. This is the rate function. If you read this question very good, analyze it, convert it to a table, the rate function will be very easy to be calculated. I also have a lot of examples that I gave you in class or on Moodle. Now after the